Hey guys, Jira bro back with the another video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about some changes that are actually happening or happened from the February 24th to the March 3rd. First, we have Atlassian administration, and this one is interesting. Revoke user API tokens from the authentication policies. This is going to be interesting because from this, imagine you have like 100 user generated API tokens. They're just sitting there. Even though, let's say that their expiration date passes, they're just there. They're sitting there, and basically nothing is happening. Well, revoke user API tokens is going to resolve that. Removal of trusted user role. Okay, that is interesting, and it's saying on the March 27th this will be removed. And this change applies to the customers who have the original user management experience. It's like when you're having the basic user, the trusted user, and the site administrator. Well, that trusted user will be removed, and they won't be able to invite users or add product to a site. That is actually okay because basically site admins, well, this is what org admins are actually doing mostly. They're managing users and groups. Site admins are doing this for one specific site. Trusted user currently belong to a group that's hidden from groups. Okay. And this group assigns trusted users their user and product admin roles. Okay. We're making this change to bring customers who have the original user manager closer to centralized user management experience. Okay. Interesting. All right. We'll be also having the option, and this is rolling out, that this should be new this week, where you can add Robo as part of your sandbox environment. This is going to be also new. The usage of mobile Atlassian apps within the insights. Let me see if I already have this. So you go to security. I'm already logged in with my account. Okay. I go here. What's going on with this? Security. Insights. Yeah, mobile usage. Oh, that's interesting. And they're like view mobile app policies. That's cool. But for this, you need to have a verified domain. Why is it already every time looking at this? Okay. It's saying that there's one account basically in here. But in order to actually see that, you need to verify your domain. Specific Jira service, this already was actually, yeah, and there are some other news. Okay. Export up to 10,000 issues to the CSV. Okay. That's going to be a lot of issues right there. I'm sure that there are actually companies out there that have more than 10,000 issues. Quickly clear filters in your calendar. Okay. And this is coming soon, so it's not out there yet. So there's clear filters button that shows when or more filters are applied to the calendar. Selecting this will clear all the active filters. To try this improvement, head to the calendar by going to your project, then calendar in the navigation. All right. So I'm gonna go to this project. I'm gonna go to the calendar. It's coming soon, so it's not there yet. All right. And I haven't scheduled 4,000 issues, basically. That's interesting. But for now, nothing's there. Okay, Forge apps that use deprecated platform components. You're now seeing following error message for Forge apps on your site that use deprecated platform component, which is unknown macro. Okay. Global looped transition is now in the new workflow editor. Okay. Replacing the workflow designer with the new workflow editor experience. Now you can add and edit global looped transitions from the workflow editor. Diagrams with global loop transitions in the workflow will now have full edit and add new support from our existing and transition model. We're also changing the any status link to a text label. As this one. Well, first of all, what I thought the change is going to be is the change of the whole Jira UI, the Confluence UI, and everything else. And yeah, this is going to be changed, so it's gonna be a label. Okay. Guess that works. Reply to comments, meaningful conversations in Jira. This is like replying to the thread in Slack. That's it. Introducing brand new way to complete bulk actions in Issue Navigator. Okay. Hold Control while selecting issues. Hold Shift key to select. Okay, that's nice. That's a good that's a good way. Yeah, that's actually pretty good, because you're not gonna be choosing issue by issue. It's like this. Whoops, doesn't work that way. Hold Control or Command, hold the Shift key to select the group of. Alright, okay. It's in the list view. My apologies. List view. Alright, so. Yep, it's not there yet, so I guess that's going to be fixed, right? So if I select this one, oh, there we go. Works. That's pretty nice. That's great. You save time. Respond to comments faster with the AI. Okay. You can use AI to suggest responses to comments on your issues by leveraging the context of your work and your prior comments. AI helps you to craft relevant responses more effectively. When viewing an issue, select one of the AI prompts to generate a response that you can review, edit, and submit. So that is going to be new. Okay. Alright, so it's not there yet. Okay. Control what you see, colorful, and stuff like that. Okay. Let's move on to. There are a lot of stuff in here. Jira Service Management. Okay, Forge apps. Meaningful apps. Introduce a new way to complete the did. Chat in Slack emoji shortcuts are now powered by the Jira automation. Okay. Automation, create rule, select emoji reaction to Slack message as a trigger. Oh, okay. So based on an emoji that's within the Slack, there's an action that happens. Right, so you already have this within your Jira Service Management project, and when you actually integrate it with Slack. But the integration with Slack works only when you react with a ticket emoji. And you react with basically anything else, nothing happens. So that is it. I guess this is the upgrade to it. Okay, data limits for object schemas. That's interesting. Combination of good data, great. Okay, see also how to build it. Okay. For this reason, we have introduced limitations of how many object attributes and attribute characters can be stored inside schemas with each individual asset in Jira Service Management. Okay, that's gonna be interesting. Let's see what it says in here. Okay, 3 million. Question, who is going to use 3 million schema objects? No one. Alright. Total numbers of schema objects in services schema, 20,000. Okay. Total number of schemas, global 100. This depends on the companies, like larger enterprise companies. I don't know if Microsoft is using Jira or Apple is using Jira. Don't know. Maximum total attributes per object type, that's gonna be 120. That's okay. Total unique constraints, that's gonna be 2. Okay, 2 constraints. Why only 2 constraints? Okay. But that is going to be there. Into approval history, when bypassing upgrading to paid plan. That's good. When you have the upgrade button to the top right corner, so you don't have to go to the admin at Atlassian.com and then you go to the billing and then you select Jira Service Management and you go for 3 dots and you select change plan. That's a lot of clicks. Alright, so those are the news that I would say they're most important. So yeah, I will be catching you guys with more of these news. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.